7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
It's my baby girl having a hard day. Oh, honey. Oh, baby girl. Baby girl. Oh, my sweetheart. Are you having a hard time? Oh, I'm so sorry. Oh my goodness. We're gonna get you better. Yeah. We're gonna get you all better. You just need to sleep. Yeah, we're not gonna take you back to that dog park. No. Oh, you got so excited there for a second. Oh, I'm sorry.
Alright, so we're going to make some natural remedies for kennel cough. I'm not sure if that's exactly what she's got because there's a strain of respiratory viruses that are going around that aren't kennel cough here, but usually we just use some honey, a little bit of lemon juice, and some hot water. So I've got 1/4 cup of hot water, and I'm going to put a tablespoon of honey in there, and then about a teaspoon of lemon juice. And then she's going to drink that up, and that's a kind of like a natural cough medicine for dogs. And the hot water is going to let the honey just melt into that water. Oh, honey, we're going to make you feel better. So this is almost the equivalent of you having some hot tea for your throat. It's just something that's going to lubricate her throat and help her with the coughing. It's not a antibiotic or any type of treatment like that. It's not going to make the virus go away, or if it's a bacterial infection, it's not going to make the bacterial infection go away, but it's going to alleviate the symptoms. So hopefully this will help her. We're going to give it to her right now and see if it's going to help her with her cough. She's been struggling today, so I guess we'll see.
It's not feeling very good. Would you like some nice warm water?
Let me just make sure that this is... Yeah, it's cold enough for her to drink. It's still really warm, but it's not hot that it's going to burn her throat.
What's this? It's nice, some nice honey water.
Good girl. And the nice thing about this too is it's going to get some fluids in your dog, because all of that coughing and vomiting, it just kind of reduces the amount of fluids that are in their body. So you need to build those up as well. Oh my goodness, that went down very fast. Was that good? Hopefully you don't vomit it because you drank it so fast.
Is that better on your throat, honey? It's nice and warm on your throat. Someone liked that. Was that good? That was good for you? That was good for you.
Okay, we'll do that one more time tonight, right before bed, so that you have an easier time. She sure hasn't stopped being playful, though.
Someone stole a sock this morning. Someone stole a sock. What did you do, Aspen? You stole a sock. You stole a sock. Oh my goodness, that's not your sock. It is now because you put holes in it. You little turkey. You little turkey.
At least you're still wanting to play. That's good. If she didn't want to play, I would be worried.
You done with your sock?
So you can see now that her cough has subsided a bit after taking it. She still coughs when she gets really excited, but hopefully it's given her a bit of relief.
I think, what do you think? Do you think it gave you some relief?